chat. What I mean is like, that not the Aldi, but it's like it's a brand that's available. Like Aldi are just stocking it. If that makes sense. I have to look into it. Aldi for the win. This is so good. For a perfect Monday morning, 10 a.m. breakfast, I rate it. This is all for Piece One as well. Piece One redeemed a baked ziti, and we don't have ziti in Australia, so I did penne, and I just thought I'd do like a pasta bake. What do you think? Spicy sausage, fennel, black pepper, chili flakes, parsley, a little bit of oregano, fresh oregano from the garden, fresh parsley from the garden. Yum. Now we are making the cake. So 3 eggs and sugar, flour, and we've got some vegetable oil and coffee baking powder to add. Okay, what's the difference between penne and, I don't even know how to pronounce that, mostacoli? Penne is much easier to pronounce. Heck yes. How do you even pronounce that? Mostacoli? So basically we're whipping this until it's pale and thick. We're just aerating the egg whites. It's interesting that they do this because then when they incorporate the flour, this is in the recipe video on YouTube, they actually deflate all of the air. So there's no real point to doing this, but I'm doing it because the recipe says to do it. Because by this you're mixing the sugar granules and helping dissolving them in the egg white, or the egg, and then you're incorporating air. This is what traditionally done in like a sponge cake or something. But when you then mix the flour ingredients, the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, you want to do it really gently as to not beat out and deflate the air bubbles that you've just spent so much time creating. But in the recipe video, it looks like they do exactly that. Excuse me, I have hiccups. Okay. Now, we need to add 1 cup of this. Mostacoli are smooth on the outside, whereas penne have ridges on the outside. Okay. Vegetable oil, 1 cup. There's a lot of oil for, wow, 1 glass of vegetable oil, 200 ml. Hold on, they said 200 mils. That's wrong. Okay, so it's under a cup. So it's like just over 3/4 of a cup. Are you halving it? Nah, I was going to, but I'm not. No, you don't need to do that. Just add your oil. Okay, and then it says oranges, 3 oranges, where I'm not using oranges because oranges at the moment are like